Alright, hello everyone. Okay, welcome back to another session of PSLE Maths. Okay, so today our focus is on combination of fractions and percentage. Okay, there'll be some questions where you have to convert to decimals and all that. Okay, but yeah, the main focus is actually with fractions and percentage. There will also be like some problem sums where the way they describe is interchangeable between percentage and fractions in the question. Okay, alright, hello everyone. Okay, welcome. Okay, alright, as usual, okay, go and help us to share this live with your friends. Okay, at the same time I'll be pressing the start button to show the game pin very soon. Give me about 3 more minutes. Okay, in the meantime, okay, go and call your friends all to come and join. Okay, you can press the arrow button right there. It can give you a link, okay, where you can paste into your like WhatsApp groups lah, your Telegram group lah, and all that. Okay, can go and put it there. Tell them all, come watch this live. Okay, then can join the Kahoot also. Sorry. Alright, so as per usual, okay, the top winner, the number one winner for today will get a $10 popular voucher. Okay, so we are very close. Okay, 2 more months, right, to PSLE. Okay, all the best. Okay, this is like the final stretch of revisions. Okay, alright, help us to share. Okay, okay, wait, let me see if the sound is okay today. Oh, wait. Okay, alright. Okay, let me show you all the game pin first. Okay, today the sound is okay. Alright, you can join now. Go to www.kahoot.it and enter 900187. Okay, no worries, we just only started showing the game period. Okay, alright, come on in. Okay, share this live with your friends. Okay, tell them all to come and watch this live and join the Kahoot. Okay, and then can get $10 popular voucher. Okay, alright, for those who just joined, okay, today we're gonna do fractions and percentage. Okay, so there will be some questions that are fraction question, there will be some on percentage, there will be some that is a bit related to decimal also. Okay, don't worry. Okay, come go to www.kahoot.it and enter 900187. Okay, okay, I will begin in about 3 more minutes. Okay. Alright, okay, so how are your revisions going on right now? For those who are in primary 6, how's your revision going? Going well? Going alright? Or not good? Okay, P5 can also. Okay, don't worry, P5 you can attempt all those fraction questions. Just that for P5 I'm not sure whether you already learned percentage or not. Okay, but don't worry, you can try your luck. Percentage is like, basically think of it this way. If I say 37%, right, it's like 37 over 100 in the fraction. Okay, so you can attempt those questions like fraction question like that. Okay, you just started. Okay, can. Okay, come on in, go to www.kahoot.it and enter 900187. Okay, there will be some questions that related to decimal also, so P5 also can do decimal. Okay, come on in. I will be starting in about 3 more minutes. Why pie chart cannot eat? Okay, hello. Welcome. Okay, good. You just joined. Okay, what about the rest? Okay, come on in. Okay, doesn't matter if you are like older than 12 years old, like maybe you are a secondary school student, or you are maybe like a poly student. Okay, everyone are invited. Okay, anyone can join this Kahoot. It's just that if you are like, if you haven't learned percentage, then a bit lacking lah. Like you might not be able to answer correctly. Okay, but don't worry. Okay, just try your best. Okay, so yeah, before we begin, a bit of introduction about me. My name is Coach Mo. Okay, and I'm with MasterMaths. You can see the title of our TikTok channel. Okay, so what does MasterMaths do? Okay, we provide tuition services for primary 1 to O level. Okay, for maths. Okay, we also provide P3 to primary 6 for science, and then we also do P6 English. Okay, and something that we are just started also, we are also doing P6 Malay. Okay, so we'll share more later on during the live. Okay, you cannot hear, maybe wait, let me tone down the microphone, the speaker. Okay, alright, now is it clearer? Okay, I'll click start in about 1 more minute, or by the time the likes hit 1,000. Okay, so if you want me to start earlier, okay, make the likes go up to 1,000. Okay, go and start your screen. Okay, all the best. Yes, all those having your prelim papers. Okay, oral. I heard some also starting to have like some subject prelims papers also, like maths, English, all that also coming up also. Okay, all the best. Okay. Okay, wait. Anybody else joining? Anyone else joining? I'll click start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Let's go. Okay, there's a person called Wolverine just joined. Alright, so the first few questions, okay, cannot use calculator, okay? So try to solve it manually without using a calculator. Okay, anyone else just join this live and would like to join the Kahoot? Anyone? Alright, any point of time, if anyone would like to join or you accidentally got out and you want to go in again into the Kahoot, the game pin is always at the top left of the screen. You see at the top left there, there's a 900187. Okay, so always remember, just go to www.kahoot.it, enter the game pin. Okay? Okay. Alright, question 1. Okay, there were 80 pupils in a school hall. 36 were boys. What is the percentage that were girls? Okay, we are looking for the percentage of girls. 36 is boys. What is the percentage of the girls? I think got 5 more of you haven't answered. 2 more. Okay, 10, 9, 8. Okay, good. Alright, yes, the answer is 55%. Okay, so if you go and calculate the number of boys, I think you will get 44. So 44 over 80 times 100, you will get 55%. Okay. Alright, if some of you maybe put 45 or you put 36 or you put 44 if you're not sure why, okay, hold on till the end. I'll go through the solutions at the end, okay? Alright, let's see the rankings. Okay, interesting. We got 2 full marks, okay? Full marks means they answer the fastest, okay? So, unique blockfish, 1,000 points, and timeless lion, 1,000 points. And only 4 points behind is the daring duck. Okay, and 10 points behind the first place is the bow swan and dynamic orca. So all 5 of these capable of possibly getting the number 1 spot in the next few questions. Okay, or if your score is like around 900 something also, okay, still got chance. Okay, don't worry. Now, question 2. Question 2 is an algebra question. So this one, because it's fraction, okay, but at the same time got algebra, okay. So for those who ever learn algebra, yes, okay, might be don't worry, okay, there will be more questions to come. But like I said, it's a fraction question. Okay, so I give you a hint there, especially for the P5 kid. It's a fraction question. So which one is the answer? Okay, think of the Z like a unit. Okay, very good. Okay, so the Mega Man, okay, the P5 kit, which was your answer, blue or red? Okay, because I also gave you the hint that it's supposed to be a fraction. Okay, Okay, the 20 minus Z, basically that is the amount of the 5 item. Total for the 5 item. So they just want one of it, so you must divide by 5. Okay? Okay, so now there's a bit of a difference in the points. Okay, so we got timeless lion still number 1. Okay, unique blockfish only 1 point difference, making it number 2. And then 4 points below is the daring duck. Then we got the dynamic orca at number 4 and bow swan at number 5. Okay. Question 3 now. Okay. Question 3, they give you this information on the table for the number of car, motorcycle on Saturday and Sunday. Then they tell you that 20% is on Saturday were motorcycle. How many motorcycles were there in the car park on Saturday? This is question number 3. Okay, if you want to join, the game pin is at the top, 900187. 900187. How many motorcycles were there in the car park on Saturday? Okay, yes, the answer is 60, okay? Okay, again, most of you got it correct. Very good, very good. Okay, now we got the unique blockfish back to number 1. Timeless lion now 1 point behind, number 2. Okay, now we got the daring duck at number 3 and the dynamic orca at number 4. And the bow swan at number 5. Okay. Okay, so very interesting. The ranking keeps on changing and changing. Okay, good. Okay. Question 4. The price of a handbag was reduced from $150 to $120. What was the percentage decrease of the price of the handbag? Okay, so you need to calculate the percentage decrease. Okay, good. Okay, we got about a minute plus more. Okay, very good. Okay, before the time's up, everybody answered. Very good. Yes, the answer is 20%. Okay. Because here, the decrease is what? 30, right? 30 over the original. Okay. The original price here is the 150, not the 120. 120 is after the decrease. Okay, so we must use the original, not the second value, okay? Okay, now we got the Mighty Hawk at 5th place. Okay, even our first place, second place, still a difference of 1 point. Okay, and then we got the Daring Duck at number 3. and dynamic ORCA number 4. Okay, all very interesting, very interesting. Alright, so just a quick inform, okay, to help you all prepare for your PSLE. Okay, we have organized these extra lessons. Okay, we got the Power Boost, where is a 10-week program that will go through the past year PSLE papers. Okay, so it's open for PSLE Maths, PSLE Science, and also the Foundation PSLE Maths. Also, we are doing for the O-level E-Maths. Okay, so if you are looking for extra help, okay, sign up for this. Okay, so next, alright, this is something that is ongoing right now. Okay, so we have a live class online on Zoom. Okay, just now the booster is also online. Okay, it's conducted by Coach Shaira. Those who remembered her from last year when you all joined the PSLE Maths, like the start of the year. Okay, yes, she's the one conducting this. Okay, so this is she will go through the PSLE problem sums, not just from PSLE papers, okay, but from prelim papers as well. Okay, so this is more of problem sum based on concepts. Okay, for tuition. Okay, but this is more for primary 6 students lah. Okay. Okay, and the last one that I'm telling you all today is that the Malay class that we are starting up. Okay, it will be a 10-week crash course. Okay, especially for those. It is open for both PSLE student and P5 students. Okay, because the examination that you'll be taking about the same format. Okay, so yeah, so we are opening up this for both P5 and P6. Okay, it will be like a 10-week crash course. Okay, and it is free for all. Okay, for this one, especially the Malay class. Okay, we are opening up as a free class for everyone. Okay, everyone that signs up lah. Okay. Alright, okay, so go and make full use of this, okay, to help you all prepare for your PSLE ahead. Alright. Okay, question 5. This is a right question. Okay, so find the value of 3/10 divided by 12. Give your answer in decimal. Okay, 3/10 divide by 12. Okay, you can either convert the 3/10 into decimal, then go and try to do divide by 12, or you can do the keep change flip. Remember the fractions divide, okay, where you keep the left number, you change the divide to a times, and you flip the right number. Okay, you can do that also. Okay, so yeah, two ways of doing this question. Okay, and then write the answer in decimal. Okay, give your answer in decimal, not in fraction. Okay, don't tell me 3 like 1/40. No. Okay, don't give in decimal. Don't give in fraction. Give in decimal. Okay. Okay. Okay, one of you calculated I think typo or calculate wrongly, right? Okay, you got 0.026. Okay, one of you gave me in fraction. I already say, give me in decimal. Okay, but that one kid who gave me 1/40 because he's a Kahoot. Okay, I'm gonna give you chance because probably in exam you got meta mark. Okay, but here there's no meta mark, so I'm gonna allow it. Okay, just for today, just for this question. The 0.026, I'm very sorry, I cannot allow that because probably you calculated wrongly. Okay, Usually even MasterMaths also they will see the way you calculate also. Okay, 0.25 also wrong calculation. 1/4 also wrong calculation. 3.6 also wrong calculation. And 2.25 also wrong calculation. Okay, for those of you who got all those other answers and not sure how to get 0.025, stay in till the end. Okay, then I'll go through the end. Okay. Okay, wow, there's a lot of changes to the top 5 now. Okay, so now we got the unique blockfish maintaining his first spot, his or her first spot. Now we got the mighty hawk at second spot, luminous hummingbird at third spot. Okay, and then we got the unique impala at fourth spot, and then daring duck fifth spot. Okay, so the thing about the second, third, and fourth, okay, anytime if the unique blockfish accidentally go and select wrong answer or write down the wrong answer, that second and third and fourth will have a chance of getting the first place. Okay, another type answer. Madam Nora had 120 apples and pears at the store. So 120 is like the total. Half of her apple and a quarter of the pear. She sold half of her apple and a quarter of the pear and had equal number of apples and pears left. So the hint is there that she got equal number of apples and pears left. How many apples did Madam Nora sell? How many apples did Madam Nora sell? Alright, this is actually a equal fractions concept. Okay, so even though P5 also should still be able to do this question, don't worry. Okay, remember what to do when you have equal fractions concept. Okay, I'll give you all hints later. Okay, you need to make something equal, that's why it's equal. Okay, don't worry about the Malay tuition thing. Okay, focus on this maths question. Okay, about a minute and a half more. Alright, so what should you do to the fraction for the amount left? Your cook as in bake or fried or boil. Which method of cook are you? So if you are fried, is it well done or medium rare? Flip over twice and overburn. How come flip over twice can become overburn already? I know, I'm just purposely being sarcastic. I'm not that old, Dila. Okay. Come on, don't quarrel here. Okay. Flip in too long duration. So okay. Alright. Okay, never mind, just ignore. Okay. Alright. Come, do the question. Okay. Alright. The answer is 36. Okay. Let's see, is there any other? Okay, one of you put 37. Okay, actually there's nothing here that is almost equal. question 7, if possible, do put the units, okay? So now, since 6 of you only answered, let's see what happens to the ranking, okay? But before we go on to the rankings, okay, let's bring the likes up to 5,000, okay? So everybody just go and tap your screen. Bring the likes up to 5,000. Okay, everybody just tap the screen. Yes, please do put the units. Like, I think it was asking for money question, put $sign, okay? Okay, you're number 5, right now. Okay, come on, halfway there. Bring it up to 5,000. Everybody just tap your screen. Okay, put $sign if can, yes. Okay, go tap your screen. A bit more. Okay, a bit more. 300 likes more. We can, okay, about 150 more. Okay, very good. Now let's see what happens to the ranking. Now, okay, now you are number 2. Okay, congrats, Daring Duck. Okay, now we got the unique blockfish at number 1. Very good. Okay, then we got the Bow Swan, Determined Bee, and Happy Ocelot. Okay, don't worry. Okay, I'll take note. And next week, I'll include some rates question, okay? Because even with the primary 6, I think we haven't do rates or like a focus on rates worksheet, okay? Okay, now can use calculator. Okay? So if you got your calculators with you, take it out, okay? If not, then you have to go and do the working lah. Okay? Okay, you all need some time to take your calculators. Give you 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, 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 ding. Okay. Solve the following. Okay, Laila and Danny shared the cost of a refrigerator. Laila paid $30 more than 5/8 of the cost of the refrigerator. And Danny paid $90. How much did the refrigerator cost? Okay, how much did the refrigerator cost? Okay, so this one, you need to put the answer with $sign, okay? Okay, 1 more minute. Okay, question 8, do put some units later, okay, but I will see based on your submission, okay. In case you all put different kind of unit, you can put liters, you can put L, yeah. Can. Either way, just put it. Then later I will review the answer. Okay, let's see. Anyone else put close to 320? I cannot accept the sorry, che, I don't know. Okay. Okay, now we got the dynamic orca at number 3. Daring duck still number 2. Unique blockfish still number 1. Very good, very good. Okay, so the thing here is that if you are about 1,000 points away from the number 1 spot and number 2 spot, okay, it's a bit hard to catch up, but don't worry, try your best, okay. Especially this one, double points, right? That means you can score like 2,000 points. Okay, so here Mary had 2 and 4 over 5 liter of juice. She uses it to fill as many identical glasses to the brim. Each glass can hold a quarter liter of juice. How much juice did she have left? Give your answer in decimal. Okay, give your answer in decimal and in liters. Okay, but if you put in ml, I will reconsider also. Okay, because it doesn't specify for it to be in liters or ml, but put in decimal, though I don't want fraction, okay? Okay, about 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Okay, so here you have a mixed number with a unit, okay? That means it's like a value. Okay, so it's like this kind of question, usually what will you do? You divide or you can multiply? Okay, so how? Okay, you put L, but it looks like 1. Okay, don't worry, later I'll see, okay? Okay. 1 more minute or less than 1 more minute? Less than 1 more minute? Okay. I think got a few more of you only haven't entered your answer. Half a minute more. Okay, so in the end, they're asking for how much juice did she have left. Okay, I think I saw some maybe different spelling, that's why. Okay, yes, this one can, this one can, this one can. Okay lah, this one got no unit, but only for this one I accept. Ask Mary. Who is Mary? Okay, nobody actually put 50 ml, okay? Oh, because Mary was the person in the question, right? I was lost for a moment. Yeah. Alright, okay, so now we got the unique block fish still at number 1. Because it's not the answer lah, Dila. Then we got a daring duck at number 2. Okay. And then we still got dynamic orca and happy ocelot and mighty hawk at the number 3, 4, and 5. Okay. If an answer that is Ask Mary would be accepted, okay, a lot of exam questions, like a lot of students will like score very high marks. Yeah, that's the thing. Okay, now another double point question. Okay, if you were to solve this, you can get up to 2,000 points. Okay, this is a part A of a question. Sally had some red and blue balloons for her birthday party. On Monday, she bought an additional 210 red balloons, such that 30% of the total balloons she had was blue. On Tuesday, she bought another 240 more red balloons. Now it becomes 25% of the total balloons she had were blue. So for this question, right, the thing to consider here is that did she bought any blue balloons? Okay, did she bought any blue balloons? Alright, so 3733 later I'll take note about that, okay? So if she bought any blue balloons, as in since she never bought any blue balloons, right? The amount of blue balloons at first, after she bought the 210 red balloons and after she bought the amount of 240 red balloons, the blue balloons supposed to always be the same. Alright, so this is more like a repeated identity, or you can call it single quantity unchanged. Okay, so where you can use your ratio or your units and all that. Okay, so here basically it's like you are converting the percentage to probably fraction, then to ratio, something like that. Okay, 3733 later we'll see what's the answer, okay? You might be correct, or both answer might be wrong, okay? Either or, okay? Okay, less than a minute more. Okay, don't worry, after this question 9, I will go through, okay? And I'll explain to you how what to do when you have a single quantity unchanged. Okay, this is the last question, but it's a 2 parts question. So this is part A. After this, we got part B. So here they're asking for how many blue balloons. Okay, close to 15 seconds more. Okay, 3733, don't so confident, okay? Okay, let's see. So 360, okay, I will accept your 366. But remember in exam, if you write wrong means wrong lah, okay? But at most they give you method mark, okay? So now 2% X smart. One say ask Sally, the other one say I don't know, ask Sally. Okay. Next time I should like suggest to Kahoot to have like a minus point answer. So anytime someone say ask Sally or like ask Mary, right, I will go and deduct points. Okay, 180 cannot lah, okay? So the answer is 360, okay? Oh wait, 3733 you put 360. Okay, then I will cancel the 366. Okay, don't want. Okay, so 360 got 6 of you. So now let's see what happens to the ranking. Okay, very good. Unique Blockfish still number 1, okay? Then we got a Daring Duck still at number 2, okay? Very interesting. Now let's see the last question for today. Okay, so basically the bottom part is the question, okay? What was the percentage increase of the red balloons after her 2 additional purchases on Monday and Tuesday? Okay, so here, what was the percentage increase? Okay, and the answer give to 1 decimal place. Remember percentage increase, like just now the percentage decrease, right? We need to have the increase over the original value. Okay, hold on, I need to take my charger. Okay, so yeah, like I was saying just now, the percentage increase, basically you find the increase over the original, okay, then times 100. So just now we already know that there were 360 blue balloons, right? Then you can use that to find the amount of red balloons. Okay, previously probably if you didn't realize the step, you can still work out to find the red balloons. Okay, then find the original amount of red balloons. So the increase over the original times 100. Okay, less than half a minute more. It is your first time in the podium. Okay, congratulations, and some more second place. Okay, that itself is a big achievement. Okay, good. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, PSLE. Later I go minus mark, then you know. Okay, let's see anyone else close to 71.4. 17% cannot. Okay. Next time I minus mark. You know, like those problem sum questions where they say, oh, in a quiz, if the person got the correct answer plus 5 mark, if the person got a wrong answer minus 2 mark, and then it's like those guess and check question. Okay, I asked Kahoot to go implement that. I need to go and find people who work at Kahoot, okay, and suggest this feature to them. Alright, okay, so if you think that you're number 1, okay, uh, remember to take a screenshot of your number 1 spot and then later send through this form, okay? So you can also stand by, go and scan this QR code, and you can come back to the Kahoot to remember to take a screenshot of your number 1 spot, okay? And then you must upload here later, okay? Why don't want to accept us Sally? Okay, later the wrong person get number 1 spot, how? Okay, good. Think Sally don't know the question answer. Yeah, probably because maybe if Sally is like a 9 years old or 8 years old student, okay, haven't learned how to calculate percentage, then Sally will also don't know the answer. How? Later Sally give you the wrong answer. Okay. Number 3, we got the dynamic orca. Why the music disappear? Number 2, daring duck. Okay, good job. You managed to maintain your number 2 spot. And number 1, the unique blobfish. Okay, very good. Okay, so remember to take a screenshot of your number 1 spot, okay, to submit for the unique blobfish. Okay, come. Now let's go and go through the solutions. Okay, so just like I was saying, right, the main thing is that the blue remain the same. Okay, so initially what I wrote was okay, let me erase a bit. So initially I also don't know how many red, how many blue. Okay, then what I did was where's my pointer? So you started with unknown plus 210, and because of this become 30% is blue. So 3, 7. Because 30% simplest form is 3:7. I do it like a ratio like that. Okay. So when the 3:7, that is why just now I wrote down 3 on top. Okay, then after that, we plus 240 become 25%. 25% means 3:1. But the blue never change. So I need to make this 1 become 3. That's why I times 3 become 9:3. So from nothing, not nothing lah, something unknown, we plus 210 become 7 units. Then plus 240 become 9 units. Okay, so here they asking for how many blue balloons. So we know that 2 units is 240. 1 unit I divide by 2, I got 120. And then 3 units times 3 is 360. Okay, that is why the answer is 360. So for part B, they're asking for the percentage increase, right? The increase is actually this 210 and 240. But like what I said just now, we need to find the original. Okay. 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 Actually, right, there is a mistake here. Right? No, there's no mistake. Sorry. I didn't realize I actually did minus 210. Okay, because I was wondering why just quite a number of you got it correct also. Okay, so the thing here, we must find this original amount of red balloons. So I first find 7 units, then I minus the 210. So to find the 7 units is 120 times 7. I minus 210, I got 630. This is the original. So the increase is 210 and 240 over the 630 times 100 becomes 71.4. Actually, it's a very long decimal, but when I correct to one decimal place, 71.4%. Okay? Alright, thank you for sharing, but should have shared earlier, but still thank you. Okay? Now, question 8, the one that you asked me to go and ask Mary. Okay, so initially we got 2 and 4 over 5 liters of juice. She fill up 1/4 liter of glasses. So what we do is we want to find the amount left, right? So what we can also firstly find is how much cups she had. So that was fill up. So I can do a divide. When I divide, I got 56 over 5 become 11 and 1 over 5. What this 11 and 1 over 5 means, she filled 11 glasses and the last glass only left 1 over 5. Only 1 over 5 filled. So it's not full. Okay, so now this is basically the amount left. So to find this amount left, this is 1 over 5 of a glass. Okay, so 1 over 5 times 1 over 4 become 1 over 20. Convert it to decimal, I got 0.05 liters. Okay. Okay, now question 7. They say here Laila paid $30 more than 5 over 8 of the cost of the refrigerator. So what this means is that she paid 5 unit plus $30. So there you see here 5 unit and $30. Then Danny paid $90, right? So that's why the remaining portion here is 90. And this whole thing is over 8. That means it's 8 units. So this is 3 units. 3 units. This one plus this one, 120. 1 unit, I divide by 3, I got 40. And lastly, they are asking for the refrigerator cost. So 8 units, 40 times 8, $320. Okay? Alright, for those who like to have the solution, remember to join or take it from our Telegram channel. Okay, it will be uploaded in about a few more minutes. Okay, now let's go to question number 6. Okay, this one is the one where I mentioned the equal fraction concept, right? Because they mentioned that equal number of apples and pears left. So let's find the fraction of left. It is half of apple and 3/4 of pear. So we make the numerators the same. Okay, when it's equal, you make the numerator the same. So times 3 become 3 over 6 of apple equals to 3 over 4 of pear. So apples is 6 units, pear is 4 units. They give us the total, right? So 6 plus 4, 10 units is 120. 1 unit is 12. Okay, the thing here, I want to find 3 units. Why? Because they're asking for how many apples did Madam Nora sell. So she sold 3 over 6. That's why I find 3 units. 3 times 12, 36. This one, the divide question, I do the keep change flip method. 3 over 10 times 1 over 12. Cancel. Become 1 over 40. 1 over 40, convert to decimal. Become 25 over 1000 equals to 0.025. Like I said just now, you can also do the 0.3 divide by 12. Okay, so probably like you got 0.3, then you put here 12, something like that. Okay? Okay, question 4, the handbag question. So this one, remember I mentioned find the decrease. I subtract, the decrease is $30. Okay, so decrease is 30 over 150 times 100 equals to 20%. Okay. Okay, Chama, what level are you at? Are you like or you are done with primary 6 already, is it? That's why Rusty. Okay, or you secondary school or poly or JC or finish school already? Okay, now question 3. Your history already. Okay, so 20% of the vehicles in the car park on Saturday were motorcycle. So this here is the okay. Actually, is when you are a student, you thought that finish school is good life. Okay, but once you finish school, okay, then you will realize that being in school is more good life compared to finish school. Yeah. Okay. So here is a 20%. So if that is the 20%, this is the 80%. School minus early mornings. Okay, so 80% is 240, so 10% divided by 8 is 30. We're gonna find the 20%. So times 2 is 60. Okay, last two question. This one is the algebra question. So 5 plates is basically the amount that she paid, which is $20, minus the amount left. So 20 minus Z. One plate I divide by 5. That's why 20 minus Z over 5. And last question, 80 pupils in a school hall. So I minus the girls, the boys, I'll get the girls. So 44 over 80 times 100 is 55%. Okay. Alright, that's it for today. Okay. I'll be back next week. Okay, probably with a we'll do another combination. Okay, like I think just now one student requested for rates. Okay, probably a combination of rates and something else. Okay. Any questions? If not, that's it for today. Thank you everyone. Okay. 4 minutes late from dismissal. Okay. Thank you everyone. Good night. Bye bye. Okay, bye bye.